Are you tired of being told what to do and when you are allowed to do it? Are you tired of your dream lifestyle only just being a dream? The house, the money, the cars? Well, enough is enough. It's time to turn your dreams into a reality. Today, I will reveal to you the top 3 steps to escape the rat race forever and become financially free. Number 3, go ghost mode. You must be able to escape from everyone and everything to focus on perfecting your craft in the shadows. This means relationships with friends, family, and significant others will suffer immensely. If you are not where you want to be in life, you need to get away from friends that don't have the same vision as you and would rather just have fun and party versus going to the gym and doing something productive. You need to get away from family that don't believe in your dreams. They would much rather see you go to college, be in debt, and get a mediocre paying job. That'll have you stuck in the rat race for life. I'm not saying to block out the good information or advice family can give from time to time, but most of the time, they'd rather see you take a safer route to avoid failure. And chasing your dreams isn't a safe route. The quicker you realize this, the closer you are to escaping the rat race. You should avoid being in a relationship, as that will take away from your purpose. How can you expect a relationship to go well if your life isn't where you want it to be? Focus on yourself and focus on the task at hand, which is to accomplish your goals and escape the rat race. Number 2, get off of social media. Most people spend their time scrolling through social media apps, looking at others that are successful, some that are faking success, and a lot that are just seeking attention. Overall, it's useless. Think about it. If you're going to spend hours a day scrolling, posting, commenting, and liking pictures without making a single penny from it, you're a fool. Social media should be used as a tool to make money, just like the rich do. But most people are average and content being average. So they'll keep scrolling without making money and have zero care. Uninstall all the social media apps on your phone. Go to your nearest bookstore and buy a book to read. Doing these 2 things will leave you with a lot of time to do productive things, like going to the gym or working on turning your side hustle into your main job. YouTube has a certain algorithm based on the videos you leave a like on, who you subscribe to, and what you search for. Make a new YouTube account and only watch videos that will help turn your side hustle into your main job and motivational videos. Any mindless content that pops up, just simply select the not interested option and YouTube will stop showing you those videos. This will test your discipline. Discipline is needed to become successful. So if you can't do this correctly, you don't deserve to be successful. Number 1, write down your most important goal for the year. Buy a whiteboard with a dry erase marker and only write down your most important goal for the year. For some people, it's losing 50 pounds, saving $5,000, or getting a brand new car. Nonetheless, no matter what your goal is, having it written down on a whiteboard you can see every day you get up does something to you. It activates beast mode. You'll be on point like a sniper because you've locked in on that one specific goal, and you will do all the necessary things to accomplish that goal. Having too many goals written down for the year will cause you to try to do too many different things at once, and your accuracy will suffer as a result. Instead, lock in on that one goal and focus on all the proper steps to complete that goal. For example, if you have a goal to lose 50 pounds, That means you need to stop eating junk food, eat healthy, and work out in the gym 3 to 5 times a week. Just that one goal itself requires a lot of different steps in order to complete it. You may even end up completing that one goal before the year is over. And at that point, you can write down the next important goal and repeat the process over and over again. Be sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Be first or be forgotten. Until next time.